All right, friends, it's Timon, and we have another video by the retard himself, Dr. Laney Norton. And I guess another retarded explanation in this video by him, I don't know, or rant. Anyways, we're going to react to the scientific slave man, Dr. Laney Norton, the Dr. Slave. So Dr. Laney Norton says, Carnivore claims plants cause cancer. What the fitness? Bio Laney. All right.
This week on Dumb Carnivore Idiots Say, we have someone saying that plants cause cancer. Let's go.
They got the cancer out. I was on a carnivore diet, so the cancer didn't progress like it would for most people. That's why they caught it, I think, because it was growing slowly. Because cancer is a metabolic disease. It grows and it has to have plants to survive. The cancer cells.
Well, it was most likely the cancer is caused by something toxicity and a dysfunction, metabolic. You could say metabolic dysfunction. Yeah, she's kind of right, you know. Metabolic dysfunction. Yeah. Yeah, cancer is a tricky thing, isn't it? But everybody thinks they know the secret or the answer or whatever's going on there. The best is to prevent cancer from happening. Now, whatever is causing cancer, if you continue in that behavior, you're feeding it. Okay.
Plants. They don't grow on fat.
Why is she laughing? As if he knows something. She's a human being just like you. You don't know anything. Man, this is funny. You get another human, the guy's laughing as if he knows something, and he doesn't know. Dr. Laney Norton doesn't know anything. He was not born with knowledge. You're not born and knowing anything. If you did, you wouldn't be here.
So if anybody has had cancer, it's best to stay away from plants. Well, it's better for most people, but it's definitely good.
The question is, why do you want to stay away from plants? Because they're toxic. They obviously will cause something bad to you, the toxicity. And I guess the cellulose, which you can't digest, and yeah.
For people who have had cancer.
Are you still doing the carnivore thing?
Yes.
Yeah.
Completely.
I cheat. I drink some bourbon at night.
Well, bourbon doesn't have any dyes in it. It doesn't have any coloring in it.
And besides, I'm actually quite healthy.
Wait.
Hold on a second. Plants
Yes?
are bad for cancer, but bourbon is okay. Unknown.
Wait a second. I should bring up his old video, the last video we did. What did he say? The dose makes the poison, right? Dr. Laney Norton, it's the dose that makes up the poison. Oh, okay.
Carcinogen. Oh my God. I think I'm allergic to nonsense. Like, okay, so
Yeah.
I love me some.
It's a known carcinogen, but plants, which are carcinogenic as well, are not carcinogenic? Or does the dose make the poison, Dr. Laney Norton? Like you said in your previous video.
Bourbon, I love a good bourbon. Love it, love it, love it. Also, alcohol is carcinogenic. We have mountain.
Yes, it's carcinogenic, and so are these toxic plants. They're carcinogenic. Yes. So is meat. If it's processed, it's carcinogenic, right? On a grill, right? Yes, we know that. Anything unnatural that you do to something is carcinogenic. Yes, Dr. Laney Norton, yes.
Of data to show this. And you want to say plants fuel cancer, but bourbon is okay? I think
They do fuel cancer. So would alcohol. It would fuel cancer, wouldn't it? I don't know. Does it?
I might just have become an alcoholic, like based on the trauma from that nonsense. Okay. Also, if only we had.
Doesn't the dose make the poison? The dose, dude. Remember, dude? The dose makes the poison.
Had human studies looking at people who eat plants and the rates of cancer. Oh, wait a second. We have millions of data points.
Man, where's that video the last video I did on him where he said the dose makes the poison, man? Look, I don't want to go back and edit this video and everything just because I want to make a point. But you know, you could go back and look at this video. The dose makes the poison.
Millions demonstrating not just fruit and vegetable intake, lowers the risk of cancer. It is a dose
Fruit intake lowers it? Why? Oh, I thought it fed off sugar. Okay.
dependent fashion. The more fruits and vegetables you eat, the lower your risk of cancer. Then she
Wait. The more fruits and vegetables you eat, these toxic fruits and vegetables, the lower chances that you'll get of having cancer. But let's say now that you have cancer and you eat these fruits and vegetables, will they not feed off will the cancer not feed off of it? None of this makes any sense, man. He doesn't make any sense. So the toxins in the fruits and vegetables, which are not found in meat, will prevent cancer. So toxic plants will prevent cancer, but meat, which is highly nutritious, nutrient, and non-toxic and non-poisonous, will cause cancer, according to him. What the fuck, dude? What the fuck is he talking about?
brings in the whole cancer is a metabolic disease. What she's not telling you
If it's a metabolic disease, it's caused by what? It will usually be caused by plants. It's caused by plants. They're anti-nutrient. You can't digest fiber. It's not a nutrient. Can't digest cellulose. Sugar and fructose is it causes if you look up PubMed NCBI, fructose causes fucking brain damage, causes metabolic disease, DNA damage, metabolic disease, fructose. The toxins in these plants also, the oxalates cause, I mean, it causes stones and shit. Fuck, it's circulating through your blood system. The lectins, tannins, the sulfolaphanes, they're all toxic, man. Can you imagine what they're doing to your body? And don't forget, these so-called fruits and vegetables are highly sprayed with glyphosates, which you can't wash off. Pesticides, herbicides, fungicides. God, man, it's just everything in the book there, bro. Meat is not... When you cut a piece of meat, a steak, is there any glyphosate on there? Any of these pesticides, herbicides, fungicides? No. Are there lectins, tannins, and sulforaphane in there? Is there oxalates in meat? No. So what the fuck is Dr. Laney Norton trying to tell us exactly? What's he trying to convince us of?
is that this is the Warburg hypothesis, which is many cancers have dysfunctional mitochondria. They have difficulty.
Hold on. Have dysfunctional mitochondria. Fructose is known to cause mitochondrial to dysfunction. Just look up PubMed NCBI. DNA. Oh, hold on. Let's go there. Let's go there. Let's see what it does. So they did a study on, I guess, rats, right? Fructose-rich diet affects mitochondrial DNA damage and repair in rats. So most likely, this will also affect humans the same way. It'll cause DNA damage and repair in humans. It causes DNA damage. It also causes brain damage. Here, let's look this one up too. So let's find out what happened to these mice when they took high concentrations of fructose. It causes brain damage in mice, according to PubMed NCBI. See that? Yeah, consumption can cause fat accumulation, inflammation, oxidative damage, and mitochondrial dysfunction. Causes brain damage as well. I mean, it's not a good thing. So these fruits are so good. And how about these plants? So let's find out if plants are toxic. Oh, look, PubMed, NCBI. Poisonous plants. Plant toxicity is due to a wide diversity of chemical toxins that include alkaloids, glycosides, proteins, amino acids, yada yada. Common plants and their toxicity. Oh, I thought they're healthy for you. Geez, okay. Toxic proteins, their biological activities, mechanism, actions. Plant toxic proteins. Whoa, their proteins are toxic too. Let's eat some more of those, man. Yeah, we need some more of those, Dr. Laney. Oh, let's see this one. Poisoning by plants. Yeah, medical personnel should have basic toxicology known to the following highly poisonous plants. Okay. Friends and foes in the plant world. A profile of plant ingestions and fatalities. Yeah, that's all we need, man. Okay, yeah, okay. Toxic proteins, yeah, biological, comprehensive toxins. Phytotoxins database application and comprehensive toxic plants, bro. Phytotoxins, they have a lot of those, man. They're extremely harmful. They're extremely harmful plants, man. But let's go back to his crazy video anyways, his crazy rant. Because he's human, he doesn't know anything. He's a dumbass. Are we filming? Yeah.
using fats for energy because fats must be metabolized in the mitochondria, whereas glucose can be metabolized outside the mitochondria in the cytoplasm. And so some cancers are obligate glucose.
Yeah, but it causes, look, man, animal fat doesn't cause mitochondrial dysfunction, so that's not associated with cancer. But plants, these fructose, that the sugar and fructoses that are found in these plants, they cause mitochondrial dysfunction, which would cause cancer, which would initiate or cause metabolic disease, which metabolic in turn cancer. See what I mean? This is crazy. Like, think about it. How would you get cancer from eating muscle meat? How would it give you how would it cause cancer? How does it cause metabolic disease? It doesn't. See what I mean? Meat and animal fat does not cause metabolic dysfunction. There's no metabolic diseases, mitochondrial dysfunction, or anything. If anything, you function way better on it. Your body functions 100% better, optimal on an optimal natural diet, meat and fat, animal fat. Now, I don't know about you processing it, fucking grilling. That's totally different, dude. I'm talking about natural.
Users, they can't use fats. We're talking about plants. Yeah, I guess you're talking about potatoes or carrots and stuff.
Yeah, we're talking about plants, toxic plants. Yeah, you dumbass.
A little bit higher glycemic index, but vegetable?
Yes, a higher glycemic index. Yes, glycemic, yes. Yes, vegetables. Yeah, vegetables. Yeah.
These things aren't spiking glucose. They're not.
Why not? Why aren't they? Why aren't they?
Great sources of glucose. In fact, they tend to.
But whether they are or not, they're toxic. The toxicity, they've got phytotoxins in them. What about that? You think that's healthy for your cells? You think they want phytotoxins, you dumbass?
Lower blood glucose. Like, what the are you actually talking?
What how does it lower blood glucose? How do they lower blood glucose? What are you talking about?
Okay, I'm
No, what the fuck are you talking about?
discombobulated right now. She said cancer cannot use fats. This is false, categorically untrue. There are many different types of cancer that can use.
There's many types of cancer because, I don't know, there's many types of phytotoxins in these fucking toxic plants, motherfucker.
Use fats for fuel. There are cancers that can use ketones for fuel.
Use fats for fuel, ketones? Many fats that could use ketones for fuels. I don't know what the fuck you're talking about. You're making up shit, man.
There are cancers that use amino acids for fuel. Cancer, one of the reasons.
From plants, because they're toxic. Their proteins are toxic.
It is very hard to cure or treat is because especially more aggressive.
They're not hard to treat or cure. Here's the thing. Hard to treat or cure cancers, bro. Just stop eating what is causing the cancer and it'll go away. It's really simple. If you stop feeding the cancer, which is what is causing it, then it'll go away. What a dummy.
Metastatic cancers are very adaptable to their environment. And
what kind of fucking doctor is this? If you go to your doctor and you tell him every time I move my arm up and down, it fucking hurts. If your doctor tells you not to stop doing that, obviously he's a shitty doctor. Hello? If you stop moving your arm, it'll stop hurting.
Tend to change and morph based on what is available in their environment. For some specific types of cancer, a low-carb diet may be a useful tool.
No, a no-carb diet should be the useful tool. You don't need any carbs. They're toxic to humans. Carbs are toxic. You'll become metabolically fucked over time eating carbs. Everybody knows this. Science says that. They've done tests on it.
But it does.
You'll get metabolic diseases over time from carbs.
Does not fix cancer across the board. That is not how this works.
We don't want to fix cancer. We want to stop it, and even prevent cancer by eating natural food. If you eat natural raw animal products, you won't get cancer. But if you continue in this behavior, you will.
I also want to say, this lady says she has cancer. I'm glad that she doesn't have it anymore.
No, he's not glad. He doesn't care. He only cares to get his fake point across, which is hurting people.
You know, stuff like this, people go, well,
if he cared, then he'd follow up on what cured her of her cancer. Obviously. What cured that lady from her cancer? Oh, let me see. What does the title say? Carnivore claims. Because she's on carnivore diet. So, but what cured her? Carnivore didn't cure her of the cancer. What cured her of her cancer? Because she stopped eating plants. She stopped feeding the cancer that was causing it, the plants. Once she stopped eating plants, the cancer went away.
How do you explain this? I don't know.
Yes, you know how to explain it. Because she eliminated what was causing the cancer. The plants, you asshole. Asshole.
am not saying that she made it up. I'm not saying that at all. But
What do you mean that she didn't? What does she need to make up? She said, I'm on a meat diet. I eliminated these things. And all of a sudden, my cancer went away. So, and you're saying you can't explain this. Hello? Who's fucking more stupid?
also, we have a lot of instances out there. Remember that chick in Australia? A lot of instances out there of people who make up for attention and money. So I'm not saying
They make stuff up for attention and money? What?
she didn't have cancer. I'm not saying she didn't do
What are you talking about?
carnivore. All I'm saying is this is why we have research studies. Because
This is why we have research studies. And this is why we have corruption and money, too, involved when it comes to food.
individual people are not trustworthy, especially when
Wait, individual people are not trustworthy? Why not? So I should put my trust in you like a lawyer. When you put your trust in a lawyer and you, and they fail you, what then, Dr. Laney Norton? What fucking then? Why the fuck would I put my trust in a human like you, an asshole especially, on top of it?
they have an invested interest of making money, getting
Yeah, you have an invested interest in making money, not curing anybody. What are you talking about? You work for the medical industry, you fool.
attention, getting sympathy, forming an identity.
Yeah, all these things. That's what you want.
If she did everything she said she did and her cancer went away, great. Maybe there's some
No, if she did everything she did and her cancer went away, the cancer went away because she stopped feeding it plants.
magical effect of carnivore for her. But
There is no magical effect of carnivore. The magical effect was stop feeding the cancer. What was causing it? The plants. You fucking asshole.
on a population level, over the course of millions of data points, plant intake
What data points? Doctor, every time I do this, every time I eat plants, I get cancer. Then stop eating it. And that's what she fucking did. She stopped eating it. Hello? It's kind of obvious. Went away.
lowers the risk of cancer and improves survival outcomes in cancer patients.
What are you talking about?
Furthermore, saying plants are the problem, but saying bourbon is okay because it does.
No, man. You said that the dose makes up the poison, you fucking asshole, in your video. You said in your own video, the dose makes the poison in that previous video. The one that you did against that carnivore guy. The one that you hate, Broccoli Head. What the fuck are you talking about?
Doesn't have dyes in it. Like, Watson, you got anything, Dad? Professor Norton, I don't know why she would say that alcohol is fine, but plants are bad.
She doesn't drink alcohol. She said she just was agreeing for him. It's fine for him because he wanted to drink it. She didn't say it was fine for her. She said there were no coloring or dyes or something in it, but she's aware it's poisonous. She's not stupid. See what I mean?
Fuel cancer. Elementary, my dear watcher. She's a idiot, and she made that stuff.
Yeah, just like you, the dose makes the poison. See that? That guy's so full of shit, man. The dose makes the poison, whatever. And now he's complaining. Wow, this guy's so narcissistic, man. Unbelievable. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao, friends.